Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a strong base image that reads well behind icons. Choose the device resolution so nothing stretches. Open your photo editor and crop to the focal area, leaving roughly 30% breathing room where widgets will sit. Once done, adjust contrast and exposure so text remains legible. Slightly darken bright spots and increase clarity. Make sure to save a copy at full resolution and label it Lock Wallpaper Final before moving to widget placement and layout. Now you arrange widgets logically. Place the clock and date where they're readable and group shortcuts on one side. This preserves a clean focal point. Use a consistent font and limit colors to 2 or 3 to tie the composition together, because visual harmony makes the screen feel intentional. Once positioned, export widgets with transparent backgrounds and import them into your launcher or widget app. Then preview on a mockup, adjust spacing, and iterate until alignment and contrast are balanced. Finish by applying the wallpaper at full resolution and enabling lock screen widgets if your OS supports them. This commits the layout. Test legibility in bright sunlight and dim rooms, and make small brightness or contrast tweaks so numbers and icons stay crisp. If a widget shifts or disappears, clear the widget app cache, reapply presets, and confirm permissions. Often a restart fixes persistent placement bugs. If problems persist, simplify the layout and retest. Less complexity reduces breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.